Simply push the front defrost button, then set your desired temperature. Next, choose the fan speed you prefer. For maximum defrosting, switch on air conditioning and select Extreme Hot on the temperature control. Next, increase the fan setting to maximum. For warm air at floor level, simply set the mode selector dial to the floor position. Please note that in either setting, your air conditioner automatically activates. The outside air is automatically switched on to defrost your windshield. One final note. Please do not set your temperature to cold when defogging your windshield. This can cause the outside of your windshield to fog up, reducing your visibility. Always keep your selection to warm or hot. For more information about setting your climate control, please see your owner's manual.